Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Gone. So finally, इतने टाइम के बाद एक और travel vlog आ रहा है because I am in Maldives. So if you remember the last time when I took you out in Maldives, I took you out to Hulmale Island, wherein we explored the beach and the natural beauty and la la la. But today I decided we will take a city tour. Why? Because there are a lot of cultural and historical places in this part of the world. However, it is slightly underrated and unexplored. So obviously, me being an explorer and my wanderlust is lusting out. तो चलो चलते हैं और थोड़ा देखते हैं क्या जुगाड़ करना है. Because मुझे ऐसा definitely लग रहा है कि मुझे डॉलर्स लेने पड़ेंगे और मैं ले लेती चेंज करा लेती हूँ. Because छोटी छोटी जगहों पे जाने के लिए like ferries and all you have to pay like $1 $2. तो उसके लिए कार्ड यूज़ करना I think doesn't make sense. तो चलो यार, बहुत ज़्यादा बकवास कर दी मैंने. अब ट्रेलर देखो और चलते हैं नीचे. और मैं एक चीज़ कहूँ, मैं रूम इतना खास नहीं है बट व्यू काफ़ी खास है. तो बेसिकली व्यू होता है जो काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा बना देता है. और मैं बहुत बड़बड़ कर रही हूँ और मैंने मेकअप बिल्कुल नहीं लगाया, जो बस लिपस्टिक लगा रखी है. और हम अपना रक्षा कवच पहनेंगे और कल्टी मारेंगे. चलो. Hey, what's up? Okay, so this is our tour guide for today, and this is my beautiful friend Adriana I was telling you all about. And let's go. It's too humid. Let's enjoy the day because we totally deserve it, sir. Do you speak Hindi, sir?
No.
Little bit? No?
Small words.
Thoda.
Small words we know.
But
Mostly
otherwise,
English.
okay, mostly English. Done. Let's go. How long is going to be the city tour to be?
It depends. Mostly, if it is a normal tour, it is 90 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, but the whole 90 minutes we are not walking.
Okay. We're exploring from the car itself, you mean?
Not a car. It's a walking tour.
Oh, it's a walking tour. Let's do it. Even better.
So, very good afternoon and warm welcome to Male for the city tour with Mujhe. Okay, my name is Mujhe.
Nice to meet you, Mujhe.
Thank you. Just this is one of the smallest capital,
Okay.
around 5 kilometers.
Okay.
75,000 locals plus 45,000 laborers.
Okay.
Sri Lankan, Indian, Bangladeshians a lot. Your eyes, everybody looks like 80% are blind, including me. While we are driving, we drive.
Yeah,
So
correct.
as much as we can be together. Your safety, it is the first thing we concern.
Well, who can understand it more than us? Okay, done.
Okay.
Let's go. I want dollars. I have Qatari riyals. I want to change it to dollars.
Let's say there are money changes in
Huh.
the shopping street. We'll try.
Okay, done. Maybe we need a ID proof also for that? No. Okay, all right.
We have it.
You are my ID proof. Okay, done. As per our beloved tour guide, we all are dressed up like Maldives tour girls should be dressing up. But because he says we are going for a cultural tour, we might enter a lot of traditional mosque and heritage places. So we need to be entirely covered. And that's why he's arranging some lungi for us. This is a ferry port, if you can see next to me, and it has 24/7 services for the airport. And जो मैंने last time भी लिया था, मैंने पुराने vlog में cover up किया है. However, we will be taking that, I guess, towards the end of the tour. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to expect more and then receive less because it sucks then. पे ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है, जैसा मिस्टर मुजीर ने बोला था. दबा के ट्रैफिक है because we are in the internal roads. That's why most of the time they use the waterways to travel across from one port to another. It's convenient, easier because ऐसे तो भाई मतलब मुझे थोड़ा इंडिया का याद आ रहा है. ये देखो हालत देखो.
देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान.
Lungi dance has arrived. Okay. So we have already got our wrapper on so that we can explore the cultural heritages.
So, is it a jacket?
It's a shirt.
Where are you?
Okay, I'll wear the shirt. Okay. Adriana, are you ready for the designer clothes? Very nice. I've got all the combination of colors you can think in a palette.
Hold it on.
Okay, here?
Yeah.
Okay. घूंघट की आड़ से दिल भर का. Thank you so much. Now we are going to enter the mosque and Mr. Majir is going to talk about the history, but he says the history is more important, so let's go and check it out.
160 years old mosque. 10 and a half years it takes to build the mosque. Only 2 people by hand. In underwater. By underwater. The whole mosque, it is with coral.
Okay.
Before in Maldives, they make houses with coral. But now with cements. The most unique thing of this mosque, a puzzle.
Okay.
No glue, no cements. Did you ever touch a coral before? Yes, it's very sharp.
Okay. All right.
Don't make the hand strong.
Hmm.
Don't make it strong.
Okay.
Don't make it strong.
Hmm.
Put your back hand.
Hmm.
It's very sharp.
Okay.
Very sharp. Easy cut.
Yeah. This mosque has a cultural heritage over here, and I can see a lot of tourists coming up here and exploring the artwork, because if you see all these woodworks, it is all self-carved and made by the architects, and it's beautifully made. It's not in a very urban form, but they have created a wonderful ambience. I'm gonna record it nicely for you. This is the first time I've ever come inside the mosque and exploring the place, because it's rich in culture and it's beautiful. This is a main hall where the imam sits for them, and then this is all a praying area. It's beautiful. It gives me all very authentic vibe, and I'm gonna show you around. So right behind me is a president house. क्या बोला आपने? राष्ट्रपति भवन है ना? So this is the one. So this is one of the most important places in Maldives, and the president lives here, and we're going to click some pictures up here. Just selfie with the president. No, I'm just joking, okay? Nobody gives a damn that we exist. But this is the mosque we visited in, and I'm going to cover up the external architecture of the mosque, which is made up of coral. Everything is made up of corals, cement, mud, nothing is being used. So all these corals are being carved by the architects and artisans inside the ocean, because then they are soft, so you can do the hand carving gestures on it and you can carve whatever you would like. But later, when it is being removed out from the sea, it becomes hard on its own. It's a natural process and it's extremely beautiful. So and you do not need cement or mud to stuck it all the stones and corals together, because it is a natural process, like I said. So the water is good enough and it becomes so rigid and tight, and the entire mosque is built of corals and interior is built of woods, and it's beautiful artwork to explore. Guys, so I am standing at the military headquarters of Maldives, and you can see there are 8 flags behind us and the center structure as well. So as per the history, in 1988 they had some terrorist attack, and this is like a shaheed ka thing. तो ये जो 4 चांद बने हैं, that signifies sacrifice of the soldiers who died in this terrorist attack. And the flower in the center, there are 11, so that kind of indicates the number of civilians who were a part of who got dead during this act of terrorism. So this is a significance to that, and the entire area is a defense area, the military area. So right now I am in the botanical garden of Maldives. It was constructed in the memory of Sultan, but since the time they became republic, it became like just a heritage to visit. So they've converted this entire botanical garden into a park just to multiply the tourism, and it smells amazing. I can smell some herbs, and it's a beautiful green place to chill and have some serene space. If you're just tired of the beach in Maldives, come to this place and rejuvenate your soul. Atma ko jagao, sulao mat. So the mosque you see behind me is one of the biggest mosques in Maldives, and it can facilitate 5,000 people inside at once. And the area is so huge. The reason they have built the campus bigger, because when it's occasion like Eid or Bakrid, people accumulate here to celebrate the festivities, and then this place can suffice almost, including this garden area a little bit, around 25,000 people. And it's a collaborated construction by Egyptians, Pakistanis, Moroccans, Algerians. Like, it's all a collaborated construction, and it's a beautiful mosque. I clicked a picture as well and I posted it on Instagram. So if you have not followed me on Instagram yet, आपको पता है क्या करना है, जल्दी से जाओ, Go Guzzle Gone टाइप करो और मुझे फाइंड आउट करके फॉलो करो. And yeah, let's go further. चलो. The city tour is going to almost towards an end, so we have come to the souvenir shop. However, the vlog is still gonna continue because we have got some plans. So let's get some souvenir done and have fun. Oh my god, sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wallah, this place is beautiful, full of stuff. However, it is slightly expensive. Alright guys, so we are thirsty for coffee, and our tour has officially ended because he wanted to take us to the vegetable and the fruit market, and we are not interested in it because we want to spend the sunset time at the beach. But before that we need refueling to be done. So bhaiya, coffee time. Bhaiya, coffee to banti hai. You got it right? You've not left anything, right? Yeah, we always scared. I also keep leaving things behind, especially my phone, but thanks to the vlog, it's always there right in front of me. And Adriana has paid for me, so I need to get her something now. And we are proceeding towards the port because, as we said, we will take you to the beach area and explore a little more and make some Instagram reels also. We have not done anything because we were shy in front of the tour guide. I was not saying what I wanted to, but now I can. So I'm enjoying it, and the traffic is on the peak, as you can see, all the time. So the waterway is a better way. 2 tickets for the airport. How much? 20. In dollars? $2. Okay. I bet $20 for the ticket. Like, it was $1 before. What happened? Thank you so much, ma'am. Agitated, but I need to really say it. When you are at a tourist spot, click a picture and damn move, okay? Because they have been using that place like they have rented it forever. So I had to tell them, please, can you give us 30 seconds to click, and that's it. I already have a picture, so I didn't click, but she did. She doesn't have a picture there. The standing there since when we waited for like 10 minutes. Yeah. And clicking not even the background of Maldives, just I don't know what background they're clicking. Maybe they're capturing some invisible which we can't see. So do not worry much, just do not stress out. Few things will come with time and experience, and let it be.
आप जो ये सब बोल रहे हैं, इसके पैसे चार्ज करते हैं या ये मुफ्त का ज्ञान है?
नहीं, ये तो मुफ्त है.
गुड, क्योंकि चिल्लर नहीं है मेरे पास.
Guys, so finally we have arrived at the beach. It looks pretty calm and relaxing, so we are just going to relax for some time here. And we really need this break, to be very honest to you, and it's beautiful out here. And before the sun goes down, we have to also go back, so we have very limited time left with us because we, tight schedule and everything. So I'll show you the view, and then I'm just gonna go and chill and read my damn book which I'm carrying for long. Alright guys, so we got some time to spend here at the beach bay area, and now finally we are proceeding to eat something. और आपको अगर यहाँ तक वीडियो देखा है, so you are going to like, comment, share and subscribe to my video. Share it with your friends and family. And Adriana has to finally say something in my vlog. She was keeping quiet throughout. This shy friend of mine. Please
Dacă v-a plăcut video, vă rog să comentați și să subscrieți. Vă mulțumim!
Please follow what she said and like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye bye, take care, ciao, hasta la vista. We're hungry. We have to run now.